start with the ingredients. Right here I have 3 tomatoes. They're fresh. 1 lemon. I'm going to use the skin, and also I'm going to use the juice of half lemon. 2 garlic cloves. Few sprigs of Italian parsley, but I might just use the leaves. Grated parmesan cheese. A teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional, guys. You know me, I love spicy, hot and spicy, so I use chili flakes. But if you don't want spicy, just omit this ingredient. So I have 150 grams of scallops. Yeah, so they are small and they are on sale in the mall, so that's why I got them. 250 grams of linguine pasta. So I think this recipe is good for 3 persons. So we need a tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And I am going to put 3 handfuls of mixed green salad. So they are mixed of spinach and other kind of green salad. But you can also use just spinach or arugula or rocket leaves. The water is boiling, so we're gonna put in our pasta. Let's boil the pasta for 8 to 10 minutes or until the pasta becomes al dente. Meanwhile, while the pasta is boiling, let's chop our ingredients. Let's chop the tomatoes. It's hard. Okay. Let's grate our, oh my gosh, our lemon. We need the zest of lemon. Okay, that's it. Ooh. And yeah, that's our lemon zest. Our lemon zest. Let's chop our Italian parsley. I just usually shred them. It's okay, it's not very fine. Our pasta is cooked now. It's ready, so let's drain it. I usually put the cold water, the tap water. So that our pasta is not overcooked if you rinse it with cold water. Also, you can save some of the pasta water because you're gonna use it later. A tablespoon of oil. Let's add in our scallop. Let's season it with salt. And let's squeeze a half of lemon juice. This is half of 1 lemon. Let's add in a half cup of pasta water. I'm just always estimate, guys, so I don't really measure. Okay, let's put our Italian parsley and our green salad. That is a lot. That's only like 3 handfuls of greens. 3 handfuls of green veggies. I mean 3 handfuls of green salad. Sprinkle it with lots of black pepper. Okay guys, this is my scallops linguine pasta. I hope you like this video. This is very easy recipe, and also it only takes like 15 to 20 minutes to cook, so you don't spend that much time in the kitchen. So this is quick to cook. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Linguine. Keep you updated for more upcoming videos. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and happy weekend to everyone. Bye!